As per the direction of the Honorable Chief Executive Member of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Dr. Tuliram Rongham, we the Hill People Cultural Forum, a peace-loving and a peace-following organization, have come to see or visit the Tapat area, where we have heard and seen with our own eyes that 2 or 3 of the houses were burned down, and we could see the ashes behind us. These are done by some of the miscreants. We will not like to take the name. So we request our dear brothers and sisters to maintain peace at this juncture. By burning houses, there is no any solution. By giving trouble to our own brothers, there is no any solution. But the solution can be given only by the government of Assam and the government of Meghalaya. We request everyone to kindly refrain themselves from going physical with each other to maintain peace and tranquility. And today, we are very glad that our Honorable CEM Dr. Tuliram Rongham sir has sent the Hill People Cultural Forum with the Chairman Laichen Inglang, Secretary General Dhiraj Dipusa. We have our Board Chairman Longki Dey, he is the Sports Board Chairman, and we have Minority Board Chairman Prakash Sangma, and we also have Jinfed Board Chairman Sri Tautang, and all our dear brothers and sisters, leaders of different communities of Karbi Anglong. So this is our only plea, that as our chief has sent us to give a small token of love and compensation to the victim family, today we have come here. Ami oti dukhito ইয়াত যি ঘটনা ঘটিলে দুদিন আগত আমি অপোজ কৰিছো, লগতে আমি আশা কৰোঁ যে এইবোৰ ঘটনা আৰু যাতে যেন নঘটে। ইয়াতে আমাৰ ভাই বন্ধুসকলে, খাচী ভাইসকলে, কাৰ্বি ভাইসকলে সকলোৱে আমি মিলি পেলাই থাকিবলৈ আমি চেষ্টা কৰিম। যোনটো নেকি নেচাৰেল বাউণ্ডাৰী ওচৰত আছে আমি দেখিয়ে আছোঁ, সেইবোৰ যাতে যেন let us respect the constitutional boundary and definitely there will be a solution. So মই বেছি কৈ নাযাওঁ, কিন্তু আজি আমাৰ চিফে আমাক পঠাই দিয়াৰ বাবে আমি তেখেতসকলক লগ কৰিব আহিলোঁ আৰু ফেক্ট ফাইণ্ডিং কাৰণে আমি আহিলোঁ। আজি যি আমি দেখিলোঁ আমি গৈ পেলাই আমি CM ছাৰক আমি জনাই দিম। থেংক ইউ।